Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Dubai, where dreams become reality. A city of lights, ambition, and endless possibilities.
Why most of the people wanna go to Dubai? What could be the reason? Why most of the people in the world prefer Dubai? For business purposes or for driving purpose? Why most of the people are going to Dubai? What can be the reason behind it? Because Dubai have no income tax, so people can save their money easily. It is super safe, super clean, and everything is ultra modern.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Dubai, where dreams become reality. A city of lights,